how to add music to Instagram posts with multiple photos and videos. This tutorial shows you how to create a carousel post with background music on Instagram for Android. First, open the Instagram application on your Android device. Next, tap on the plus icon at the bottom center of the screen. Following that, tap on Post to create a new post. Now, tap on the multiple select icon at the top right to choose multiple photos or videos. Moving forward, select the photos and videos you want to include in your post. You can select up to 10 items. Tap Next at the top right corner once you've selected all your media. Afterwards, you'll see editing options at the bottom. Look for the music note icon and tap on it to add music. The music library will open with trending songs and search options. Search for your desired song or browse through the available music. Tap on the song you want to use. You can drag the slider to choose which part of the song plays. Tap Done once you've selected the perfect section. Now you can apply filters or edit individual photos if needed. Tap Next to proceed to the caption screen. Add your caption, tags, and location as desired. Finally, tap Share to post your carousel with music. Your Instagram post with multiple photos, videos, and music is now live. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you add music to Instagram posts with multiple photos and videos, give it a like, subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.